Hello Salesforce developers. Welcome back to the Salesforce Hours YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to take you through the essential steps to set up your Salesforce GitHub account. Whether you are new to the world of Salesforce GitHub or looking to refine your skills, this video is designed to assist you every steps of your way. We have three distinction segments in this video. Let's start with our first segment, creating your GitHub account. Let's kick things off by creating your very own GitHub account. To get started, open your web browser. Go to, we already opened the web browser. In this case, I am going to open the new incognito window. Go to https://github.com. Then click to enter. Once you are enter the GitHub page, there will be the sign up in the right side top corner button there. Click the sign up button. Then you should enter your valid email account. Okay, I am going to give my valid email account, Salesforce Developer Hour at gmail.com. Okay, then click to continue. Then creating password. To remember to choose a strong and unique password to keep your account secure. I am going to give my strong password, combination of lower and uppercase and number and alphabet. Then this is it's so the green password is strong. Then click to continue. Then you should be enter the unique your username, that is your login the GitHub account. Then I'm going to give the Salesforce Hours cover. Then this is available. Then click to, this is for your username, SalesforceApex cover. Then click to continue. Then would you like to receive the product updates announcement via email, right? This you put Y means it's receive the any updates, no means it will not receive. As of now I put yes. Then click to continue. Then there is a verify your account. There is an option to click the verify button. There is a two image there. Left side is the arrow icon, right side is the actual dog image. Your dog image, your hand image should be same direction. As of now, my hand is looking to the right side top corner, but my dog image different position. I change the different same position. Now I change the different same position. Now you can see, right, my hands are hand and dog image both are same direction. Then I click to submit. Then this validity succeed, it will get the green tick mark. Then click the create account. Once you click the create account, you should be receive the OTP verification ID to your Gmail account. Then you can put your Gmail verification account after the next page. Then your account successfully logged in and your email ID successfully verified. As of now, we have created successfully our Gmail account. Okay, as of we have successfully created our GitHub account. You will have option to select between the GitHub Free and GitHub Pro, each offering different features for your personal account. Don't worry if you are in the unsure at first. You can upgrade your plan anytime. To unlock the full potential of your GitHub plan, be sure to verify your email address after sign up. Now we have successfully our GitHub account is logged in. Next step, we are going to create the local repository. Before we create the local repository, we should be create the one remote repository. This is my actual GitHub account. I am going to create a new repository. Click to the new button. Then there is an option to create a new repository. Under that, you can see, right, your owner name. It will come the repository name. You can click the enter your repository name, SalesforceApex program. This is my repository name. Then once you enter the repository name, it will verify the Apex Salesforce program is available. That means it's a green tick mark, your repository is available. Then you give the description, okay? This repo store my Salesforce developer covers programming program or code. Then there is option we have public and private. Public means anyone in the internet can able to access within the URL. If private means whoever have authorized to log in this particular repository account, then that guy only they can able to see. As of now, there is option have initialize your this repository with the add readme file, add git ignore file. The license also there. Okay. As of now, I don't choose anything. I will leave it as per the empty because I am going to create my repository from local as well instead of the doing the remote. Remote, I just create the remote repository. I don't do any other activities. Then click to the create repository button. Once click the repository, right? The repository should be created without any initializing your Git repository. That means this is plain repository without initializing any codes. Now our second segment, right? Create a local repository. In this segment, we will show you how to create a local repository using the command line. As per the command line, they're giving here, right? This is the command line. Think of the repository as a dedicated folder of your project. Now we want to create our project. I think we already covered how to create the Salesforce project previous our YouTube videos, how to set up the Salesforce environment. You go to see that particular video, the series 1. Now I am going to create the new project. What I am creating the new project under VS Code. I already VS Code is opened. Control Shift P. I am going to create the project with the manifesto. Then I should be select the project type should be the standard one. Then I should be enter my project name also same, whatever I repository name same I am giving, don't confuse. Both should be different or same. In this scenario, I am going to give the same name. SalesforceApex program, that is my project name. Then after clicking, it should be asked the project location. I go to my work area. Then I go to the Salesforce. Then I go to the project. Then I want to, okay, I go to the Salesforce Developer Hours. Go to the project. Then I am going to create my project. Once the project is successfully created, GitHub allows you to have any number of public private repositories in your personal account. This repository can store various types of content, including user folders. Like config is one of the folder. You go to see here backend. I'm going to open the folder project. You can see it under Salesforce project. We have multiple folder there, multiple files there. And you can store folders, files, images, videos, and spreadsheet and data sets. Like that we can do. We will also demonstrate the importance of initializing your repository with a README file, which serve as the introduction to your project for the visitors. The README file is this one. Okay, I will go to as of now. I will show you the VS Code. Here we have option source controller. You can able to initialize here also. Click the initialize, or that time you initialize your local repository, or you can do the same way. Go to take the path of your project path, copy the path, then open the command line. Once you open the command line, then change the directory. This is my project location. Then once I change my project location, then go to as per the GitHub command line codes, right? Take the commands, git init. Git init same. Here you are clicking the initial repository, same activity we are going to do the through command line. Git initialize. Once git initialize is done, right? My initialize is go to see, right? My repository is initialized, local repository is initialized. That time here 19 file is tracking now. I don't want track some of the folders, okay? I don't want track a .vs code .hk folder. Then I go to git ignore file. Git ignore file is you are putting whatever folder or file name. Those files should be not tracked. Git should be ignored. Class. Then .vs code class. Then and as of now you said 19 files showing under source controller bending changes. But after I added this two folder name, now this two folder is changed to purple color. That means this two folder is ignored because this .vs code .qsk, these are the log file, doesn't have any valid information. We can ignore those log file tracking under GitHub. Okay. Then this is the valid our GitHub project. These all are tracking. Then as of now you can see, right, there is we have two stage. One is changes, another one is stage. Okay, click to you can click the plus button. All the 15 files go to move to changes folder to next level is change stage. Instead of we are doing the plus through VS code, we are going to do the command line git add. Okay, git add face your dot, giving git add face dot means all the file is going to change file location to move to the promote to the staging current working directory to change the staging directory. Okay, now currently we have the working directory, these all 15 files. Now it's going to change to the staging directory. Okay, now after click here, right, all the 15 files is moved to the use, right. Now this is a changing directory, doesn't have any file, empty 0. But my stage, right, stage changes is have 15 files. After stage is done, then you want to commit. Then I am going to git commit first commits. Okay, then git commit, or you can able to do the same thing here also, give and click the commit button. Same activity we are going to throw the command line git commit my first commit. This is my commit message. This commit message you can give anything here, right. The 15 file is changed and this is my commit message 100.664. okay, all the files folders all the things is show the in the commit message display under below. Now I done, right. Now I use, right, my repository name, my branch name is master, default should be master. I am going to change to master to the main. Okay, then you should be changing the next command git branch m, that main branch is main. Okay, then I am click to the here add git branch hyphen m, that change to the your now use, right, the branch name should be changed to the master to main. Use, right, now the branch name change to the master to main. Now we are in the final segment 3, pushing the local repository to GitHub. That means you want to set your remote repository name. Now our remote repository name, this is a SalesforceApex program.git. That is my remote repository name. Now that you have set up your local repository, it's time to connect it to your GitHub account. We will guide you through the process of adding the remote repository URL. This is the remote repository URL. This is the remote repository URL. And after publishing your local changes to GitHub account, this is the you are pushing your changes to local repository to your GitHub account. This is steps is crucial for collaborating with others and ensure your project is packed up securely. Now I am going to click to GitHub remote add origin and I am giving my remote repository URL. Once I am clicking, then you write my remote repository is successfully ran it. Okay, that means my remote repository successfully added. Now I am going to change, now refresh, there is nothing will happen. Now I want to change my code to local repository to remote. That means whatever I have 15 files, right, this 15 files, okay, it's moved to local folder to, that means these 15 folders. Okay, this 15 folders, whatever file inside content, local repository to move to the remote repository. I go to git push -u and origin main. Git push face -u and face origin face main. Then my local repository push to the remote repository. Now you say it's loading. Now you write now 100% is done. Okay. Then all 15 files you select new branch. That means new branch created remote repository as well. Okay, now go back to remote repository GitHub account. Go to refresh. Okay, here right, my remote repository successfully created. You select my config folder. Okay, apart from these three folders, you select whatever we ignored, right? .sfdx, .vscode, .qski. Apart from these three folders, all the folders sync to your local folder, local repository to remote repository. You can see that all the folders synced properly. Now you said this is a readme file content. Whatever readme file content there inside, that is display in the your project visitor. Whatever you want to visitor you want to know, you want to add your readme file, it will display like this. Yeah, that's wrap up our tutorial on setting up your Salesforce GitHub account. We hope you found that this is guide help you in getting started with GitHub. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our upcoming session where we will walk you through the process of setting up your Salesforce Azure DevOps account. Thank you for tuning in Salesforce Developer Hours.